Now is available on McCarthy Cars, Toyota RAV4, 16 plate, 2016. Has daylight, has parking sensors at front. Car has privacy rear glass. Rear parking sensors. Car has reversing camera. Electric tailgate. Split folding rear seats. Black leather interior, ISOFIX. Electric seat. Full electric window, electric and folding mirrors. Car has DAB radio, it's got touch screen, Bluetooth, telephone connection, reversing camera. Aux and USB, 2-zone climate control air con. Car has heated seats, USB and aux connection, Eco mode, sport mode, central cup holders, automatic gearbox. Thank you for watching.